Hey girls, so today is Wednesday the 30th. It's my sister's birthday actually. I'm just starting out this vlog. I just want to come here and show y'all I look a mess. It's fine because I went to the gym. Okay, we're about to just get into some things that I need to get done around the house. We just came back from the grocery store, so I have to put up groceries. But today I have to basically make some content for this company. Don't have that much to do today, so I just figured this is a good time for me to get this refrigerator cleaned out. And also, exciting news, this is gonna be my last vlog on my phone because I'm getting a new camera.
My number one. I won't stop until I see you, sugar. You know who you are. This is for my number I see you. Number one. So many shows wherever I go, I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking.
700, 3 I5s, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how.
I did my hair and my makeup. I got on my smooth suit. If you all know about my shop, it's powerglassfigure.com, and you can get you a smooth suit just like me, you know. So I'm just gonna put some jeans on with this, and then I'm gonna put on this puffer jacket for the picture that I need to take. I don't know if I'm gonna do the, like, cause I think I have like two things to do. Like, no, three. I have 3 items that they want me to take a picture for, but I'm only gonna do 1 item today because I don't feel like doing it all today. And honestly, I'm not on no time frame because yeah, I'm doing it how I want to do it. I'm in very bad lighting, but don't worry. We're about to go outside. Yeah, where else am I gonna take the picture? I'll call y'all back. This is great lighting right here. Oh yeah, that's good lighting.
It's cold.
It ain't that cold. Okay, how do I look this?
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the.
Oh, you cold now, huh?
No, I'm just acting. Just take pictures. Can I just play palette?
She lying to y'all. It's cold. It's like 40 degrees.
Okay, I'm gonna fade the room. So sorry. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna call y'all back in just a second. Y'all, we got the shot. We got multiple shots because he did a good job.
Money shots.
Yes. No. Money shots mean something else, right? I'm not even gonna talk about that. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna call y'all back. I forgot to tell y'all that I took my pictures, but y'all saw that already, and they came out good. I posted them on Instagram, so go check it out. My Instagram handle is Extra Reagan. I need to figure out something to eat. I had made meatloaf last night, but I want something else. I do not want to eat that again.
You wanna live how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be.
I got on my Savage Fenty. I don't know if I already showed y'all that. We had 5 guys, y'all. My son in the back crying because he doesn't want to be in the car with mommy. He wants to go in the store with daddy. Clean up this house. And I also am waiting on this girl I know to bring me some wings because she made some, and I was like, yeah girl, I'll pay you, come and bring them to me. So I'm gonna take, this is a terrible angle, but I'm gonna take a Celsius so I can stay up. I'm also gonna like try to do my hair. I hope it works out because I'm so tired, but I need to take this glue in out. Look at it, it's hanging on. It's fucking hanging on. So yeah, I'm gonna be back.
I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one.
and took a break from cleaning, this girl done brought me some wings and rotel that she made. I'm busting it down. I want to see the chicken wing. Yeah. I'm busting it down. Why I don't have no ranch in my house? Are you even black even? I'm just kidding. But seriously, I don't like hot sauce. But she made hot wings. They busting. I think she did like some garlic butter on the Hawaiian rolls. Shut this shit off. She had me some Doritos to go with my rotel. I'm not really a fan of Doritos with rotel, but I'm gonna eat it. Y'all like loud chewers, cause I can't stand that stuff. But I know that I'm a loud chewer, but like listening to other people chew, be ready to smack somebody. Especially the people who would be like breathing hard while they chewing. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. That shit is crazy how irritating that can get. Or the people who be trying to be quiet, but they loud as hell because they trying to be quiet. I don't know how to explain it, but I know what I'm talking about. Like I be like this, let me tell you. Trying to be a slow chewer. Just hurry up and get that shit out your mouth. Oh. Like you're trying to mask your smacking and you're loud as hell. Hurry up. Now, I'm gonna install this wig. This just got to be glue. That's why it's like lifted like that. That's crazy. And it was like that the other day when I had took them Instagram pictures, girl. Oh, look at my hair. It's kind of still straight. Okay. My little hair be trying to do its thing. Trying to stay straight for me. Okay. It really did really good. I'm really proud because, girl, I got 4Z and they do not be doing that. But, yeah, I'm going to take my hair down. I'm going to try to glue in, not glue, but try to install this wig. I'll probably make a TikTok because I'm trying to get into my influencer bag. Like, I don't think I understand the procrastination that I've had up until this point. But now I feel like I'm in a better place as far as like mentally, like what I want to do with my life, and like not even with my life, but just for right now, because obviously I don't have all the answers. But right now I want to be not internet famous, because absolutely not. I want to get a bag from the internet since I'm going to be on there all fucking day. Like I feel like I be scrolling on these social medias all the time. It's like, why am I not making money from this? Not that I'm not making money from it. That's not true, but I'm not making the money that I could be making. And same for you. If you always on social media, girl, there's so many bags on there. And that's not for everybody, but I know it's for me. Okay? Like, I'm pretty certain about that. Like, yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just in this mindset that like, girl, like there's just so much money that you could be making from really like taking this seriously. So that's what I'm trying to get into, is just taking it serious. That's what this whole Vlogmas is gonna be about. Like really like sticking to my shit and taking it seriously. Let's go take this out of my head.
It compels me to know. I wanna be the one. 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 Ooh.
Yeah. So this is the wig. I've already done like my little hair care, so I colored this wig myself. It was from my little cousin, but she don't even wear wigs like that, so I just took it back from her. But I'm about to install this, and you see it's so cute. It's like red in the roots and then like orange on the ends. It was for her birthday, and her birthday's in October, so it was like, you know, super festive. But we about to do this little thug thizzle. I'm about to record a TikTok, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get done. Y'all, I did my hair and my makeup. I was seeing this little style on TikTok as far as like the little bangs with the little side over. So I just did it. This wig is so small, y'all. Oh my god. I don't want to say don't buy no wigs from AliExpress, because wigs from AliExpress be doing numbers. Like, they're really good sometimes. But if you don't get it from the right vendor, you will get screwed over. Seriously. This wig is so small. But the good thing about it was, I think it was like 80 bucks. And this wasn't my wig. This was actually my cousin's. I had installed it on her for her birthday. But then she gave it back to me because she don't wear wigs for real. I think it's cute. It's a cute little number, but I would not like just wear this color, you know, all the time. But it's cute for like a look. I wish I would have like did something with it, like a picture or something. I just don't feel like doing that. I don't even know what I could put on to go with it either. Probably like a black top. That would be cute. But yeah, it's giving Chucky vibes. I like it. I like it a lot. I need to go to bed now. It's 3 in the morning. And I have to get up for a twerk out live with Mila. I don't know if y'all know who that is, but she's a twerk out instructor and all that stuff. So I wanted to get on her live in the morning, start at 9 a.m. I probably will still be up by that time because I usually am. But yeah, I gotta go to bed, y'all. I'm gonna call y'all back in the morning.